Welcome to my channel, The Blooming Earth. Have you seen the end of the world? Let's see some of the beautiful sceneries on the way to the road to Keywest. Enjoy the drone series. The water is so clear you can just see the stones and even the fishes inside. Just joking, but the water is crystal clear. There, now you could see the end of the world. That's the end of the road built in United States of America in the south direction, which ends the road in the Keywest. Hope you have enjoyed the sceneries of the road to Keywest in our drone series. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And also you can scan me directly on the barcode over here. and subscribe. Thanks for watching with the Blooming Earth. See you again in another exciting episode. Until then, take care. Bye.